Friends, in this plumber block assembly, today we are going to see how to make this process. Now let's make it. We will make it step by step with dimensions, and we are first going to make this half part and will use shaft command to revolve it. For that, first open CATIA, go start, then mechanical design and then part design. It will take some time to pop up new window. After that, you have to select any plane whatever you want, then go on sketch option from here. After that, our next part is we have to sketch the part that we have given on the figure. So let's make it. Now this is how we have completed our half part. I'm going to use this dimensions to it. So distance between these two lines is given as 32 divided by 2. I am using divided by 2 because I am sketching half. Then let's see distance between this axis to this external line. It is given as 64 divided by 2. Similarly, distance between this internal line to this central axis, it is given as 48 divided by 2. And now one thing is remaining, that is the distance of this to this line, which is given as 44 divided by 2. Now distance between this to this is given as 9. It is already given in figure. Distance between this line to the central axis is given as 46 divided by 2. And similarly, distance between, you can see this is the white line, that distance between that line to this central axis is given to us 28 divided by 2. And now our whole sketch is ready. So select it and then use this mirror option and select the axis and mirror it. After that, go on exit to workbench, then use this shaft command and then select the axis on which you want to revolve it. After that, our half sketch is ready. Now select any horizontal plane and then use this plane option. We have to make one plane. I will show you in figure. See, we have to make one circle here and the plane should be at the distance of 30 from central axis. So we are going to make one plane apart from this central axis till 30 mm. So write here 30 and make one preview, and where we want, this is the point where we want circle. After that, click on OK. Now go here, select that sketch and then go on, select that plane and then go on sketch option. After that, we have to make one circle there, and the diameter of the circle is given as 8. So the circle must be of 6. No, it's not 6, it's 8. It is given there, it should be 8. And after that, go on exit to workbench. Similarly, now one thing is remaining, that is we have to use this pad option and select here up to surface and use this surface. You can see, you can take preview if you want, otherwise just click on OK. Now our next part is we have to make one circle again there. So select plane, then go on sketch option again, and after that make one circle of radius 6 by using constraint option, give it as a 6. And after that, go on exit to workbench and then use this pocket command throughout. So dimension up to last, I am using up to last, and then click on OK. Now you can see the hole is still up to last till here, This is how we have completed our sketch. Thank you so much guys for watching it.